Hi, my name is Theresa Anyadike, and I'm a software engineer. Prior to NSP, I've worked on different products. I've worked on Tagio, which is a digital signage system. I'm also on Active, which is a health and fitness application. So when I saw the application for NSP, I noticed that the program was quite immersive. They're going to teach us things across different disciplines, and particularly Ped Lab got my attention. I was fascinated about the fact that I was going to work on a team with different people and build products from scratch. Okay, so the Scholars program has been quite immersive. I've been challenged to do things that I wouldn't do on a normal day. I've had to work on projects that I didn't imagine myself working on. I've worked with people that I never knew prior to my stay here, and it's been quite exciting, especially when we had courses on design thinking and product management. We had to like immerse ourselves in a project, and as software developer that I had to wear my software developer hat. I had to make sure that the product was quite okay, and it was quite challenging, and but it was fun. Then we've also had to work on projects, courses that have nothing to do with my field of study. I had to work on projects in economics, strategy, and sustainability, things that I'd never worked on before, and it actually challenged me a lot. The NSP program has been great, but personally, I enjoy the guest sessions because we see industry leaders come here and tell us how their journey has been or the challenges they faced, and I appreciate the fact that they are honest with us. So those are like revealing moments for me. That so I must not be perfect. I mustn't have it all right as I go through my journey. That if these people could make these mistakes, or if they could experience these challenges and be able to overcome them, I can also do the same. So those like the guest sessions has been great. The guests that the NSP team has been bringing for us is just it's something else. My low moments mostly was in the first term. Like first term was quite challenging because I wasn't used to the system. So I knew it was going to be immersive. I knew it was going to be challenging, but I did not expect what I got. So it was really pushing, especially when we had a course on foundations of leadership. So Dwight made us introspect deeply in ourselves. We're always trying to overcome, like, we're always trying to push back on our thoughts and our feelings and just be strong and everything. But Dwight made us think and write about things that were really dear to us and things that we tried so hard to forget in the past. So first time was like a low moment for me. Okay, so prior to NSP, I was quite I won't say narrow-minded, but I studied engineering. I'm in software now, so I'm all about building, building, building. I didn't really think about the business part of any business. Like I always didn't think about the people aspect of a business, the other part of it. I just thought about the development part. But coming to NSP, they make sure you think about your EBITDA and things that the money part of the business, which I never thought about. So those are the things that I know that I have gained from NSP. I don't see a business anymore as just development or products. I see the money, the people, and everything. So it's now all encompassing. I see a business as like a full entity. I'm not just a subset, like focus on a subset. So I'm now more open-minded. I have my thoughts are now broader. I think about like the business as a whole, like the whole activities that make a business the way it is. And another thing that I've learned from NSP is startups. Before I came to NSP, I didn't really know what a startup was. I just knew that people started a business and businesses grew. But coming to NSP, courses we did on strategy, especially, it made me understand how startup founders seek investments, how to value your company. So now I understand things that I hear on the news about things that investors on Wall Street talk about. Is now more. I can now relate. I'm like, okay, cool. Okay, so with the forthcoming Shadow a Leader program, I'm actually excited and I'm hopeful. That's what I'll say. I'm hopeful. So I hope to meet a leader that will actually be interested in my growth. And I also hope to learn a lot. I hope to work on products, like real projects that people use and which will be impactful to people out there. So that's like one of my fears. I fear that I won't be able to utilize. I feel that 6 weeks is not going to be enough. I fear that, and I fear that my leader might not have my time. But besides all this, I'm hopeful that I will be able to give what I have and also get in return from the company that I work in.